Hey guys, well, we are going to meet a magnificent distribution for Linux. I think that as soon as you see it, you are going to fall in love. um, with it. Don't be frightened. Don't because on the ground mind it is a really Ubuntu version. Okay, if you take your terminal, you can see with neofetch neofetch. You can see the features of this hardware and software. If you don't believe me, no problem. cat etc sorry os release. Okay, you have to Ubuntu Debian pretty pop-up, vale, version 22.04. LTS is perfect. Besides, you can root. I enter xonf. I want to be the content of default Windows Manager. Okay, GDM3. I mean, you have used GNOME. Okay, it's the same to work in Ubuntu. The aesthetic, the aspect is wonderful. Okay, if you want to download, simply push and pop up OS. When you pop up OS or push download here, download over there, you choose LTS. If you got NVIDIA graphic card, choose this version. If you have a Raspberry 4, you use. Okay, no problem. You have SHA 256. If you check if your ISO file is right, okay, is this truth wonderful. Okay, you can see the desktop and your dock. The dock is totally customized. Totally, you can hide the position, so on. It's incredible. Show workspaces is little. You are your finder. Okay, I don't know where is the Chrome icon. No problem. You have a finder. It's okay. It's good. Okay. More things. Show applications. Is sorted by category, Office, System, Utilities, etc. Okay. Another tools is pop-up use Jari like as a client, email client. It's a good tool. I have never seen before. It's great. It's great. The software management is Wonderful. Yes. Is sorted by categories, and you could find everything. For example, I want to find I don't know raps. Raps. Very okay. You got it. It's simple. I love this distro. It's wonderful. I suggest to install. Well, we are going to see a small presentation. I'm going to explain pop with installed snapshot. Is how a little presentation. You could install this distro. Is after we watch. Thank you. MP4. I'm going to video to see you demonstrate how download the .iso file. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Here we have the presentation. Okay. Use your favorite browser, no problem. You search the words Pop OS. My computer is very slow. If someone wants to help me with another computer or any kind of help. No, it's a joke. I use my laptop, no problem. Then you push button download. You could choose LTS, NVIDIA, if you have got a graphic card, and RASP4. Okay, RASP4, sorry. You could see the SHA-256 if you want to check. Balena Etcher is a great application to create a USB drive. Okay, you download, install, simple. However, Ventoy is a revolutionary application because you could use your USB drive with a lot of ISO in the same pen drive. It's amazing. I suggest to try it. You could use the default USB flasher, which contains in this distro. Is a good option, of course. When you create your pen drive, you select, you restart your computer and push the right key to select your device to boot. You select your pen drive, USB drive, and so on. The first step is select a language. In my case, I select English. After, you choose your keyboard layout. In my case, English US. If you are Spanish, Spain it depends on your native language. Okay, and you could choose a lot of layout if you prefer. In my opinion, I choose always custom advanced because you could resize, change the type of partition, etc. Well, the installer advised me. I haven't plugged my laptop. It's recommended to be plugged in while installing, but my battery is full, no problem. It's an example to install in a laptop pop-up OS. You can see two drives, one drive, 500 gigabytes, second drive is 1 terabyte, and my USB pen drive where I store my ISO file. Okay, I choose in my example this unit for root. Format is partition ext4 by default file system. Next, I use my great drive to folder home, and format is partition. This installer advised me if I want cancel or erase an install. Personal data, okay, full name and username to login in your computer, okay, your password, confirm password, and in this step the installer is partitioning drive. Is a later time, not to time. This icon you could see, but is to get more information about this operation of partitioning your hard drive disk. Okay. When finished, restart device, login my password, and this distro is great because you could change your desktop everything. You could choose no dock stands to H's, sorry, a dock doesn't stand to H's. I prefer this. This is simply like configure top bar. You could show the workspaces is very useful to have a lot of virtual desktop. This is amazing. Show applications button, date and time and notification in center. The position, layout. You could use the launcher is perfect to find an app. Okay. And finally, you use 4 fingers to open applications, 3 fingers to switch between windows. Is interesting. More appearance is typical dark or light. Okay. You select your Wi-Fi. Please don't bother your neighbor. No. Buy your ISP service, please. Poor neighbor. Sorry, poor neighbor. Okay. This job is advise you if you allow applications to determine geographical location. Okay. You select your location and your time zone. The picture is a little blur. You could connect with your Google account, Nextcloud, etc. All done. It's ready to be used. We hope that you love it. Start using Pop As. Great work. Okay, it's finished. Easy peasy. I encourage to leave your Windows 11, Windows 10, Mac OS is the best distro I could use. The best. Please change your change your operating system. Is free. It's totally free. Thank you for watching.